So I was curious, what would it taste like if you mixed a chocolate protein powder drink or the powder with spinach? And I looked online, and some people said that's a great way to hide the flavor of the spinach is to put it in chocolate milk. Some people are using chocolate milk. Some people are making chocolate milk smoothies or chocolate protein powder smoothies with, some people add banana. They add lots of different things. So, I'm going to make a nice long video on, what do I have here? I've got some Ripple unsweetened. Now, the chocolate is really good, but the amount of junk that's in here, even though it's healthy, they use some type of oil that's really not the best for your heart. Even though it's a health drink, they use the oil to give it a little bit of a thickener, or to make it thick. And so, I've got the unsweetened. I'm trying to finish it off. How much do I have? I guess I'm going to, oh, no, that's... There's too much to make for one drink, but there's not enough to save. So, God, look at all of that. I'm probably going to throw that all out in the garbage. So, I'm using the Ripple unsweetened. And then, of all things, where is it? I'm looking. Sorry, the video is going to be 10 hours. I'm using the Ripple protein powder, which has 20 grams per serving compared to 8 grams for the other thing, for the liquid. And I don't believe it has the oil in here. So we're going to try, I don't know if this is going to be good. I'm not going to waste it. So I will force myself to drink whatever I make, all this expensive powder and the milk. I'm trying to find a way to, if this works out good, the Ripple milk is really expensive. It's very, well, it's $4.99 for the bottle, $5 for the bottle, very hard to find. And if I can do this with the soy milk or the almond milk, it might work. The whole idea behind this is to see, can I cover up the flavor of the spinach and make this easier to do, which is really getting the protein. I want to get the protein of the protein powder, but I also want to get the nutrients from the spinach. So the spinach, it's on its last legs here. It's fine, but it's been in here for too long, and when you buy spinach or any vegetable, the longer it stays in the refrigerator, the longer, or the less nutrients it has. They just wear out. So you're really eating stuff that does nothing for your body except go out in roughage into the city system, if you know what I mean. So let me get this in the fridge. So we have spinach, we've got the powder, we've got the milk. This is going to go on the Vitamix machine, and then we're going to do a taste test in a minute. I'm going to turn this off so you don't have to hear the noise. It mixes up nicely compared to orange juice and spinach. I don't know why, but it looks a lot smoother. What does it smell like? It smells like the chocolate protein powder, the Ripple. So I'm not going to show you my mouth. I'm not going to show you me drinking this, but what I will do is I'll show you this container as you listen to me suck this down. Okay, first off, the powder kind of went in my mouth, in my throat. I just drank about a third of it. What I will tell you is you can't even taste the spinach. You cannot taste it at all. And I'm not one of those people that says that stuff. People who say, oh, get a mushroom pizza, you can't taste mushrooms, or if you don't like broccoli, put a little bit of seasoning on it, or you're cooking it the wrong way and you get rid of the flavor. Nah, I don't buy that stuff. If it's there, it's there. It's just like if you put in your food, it's going to taste like this. I don't taste the spinach at all. I don't even smell. Let me see. I don't even smell the spinach. All I smell is I think I just drank about half of this. All I smell is the Ripple. I think I'm smelling the Ripple powder. I don't think I'm smelling the Ripple milk. I don't smell the spinach. When I make a lot of spinach and orange juice. Let me clear my throat up. I make a lot of spinach and orange juice smoothies. The problem with that is orange juice is crawling with sugar, crawling with it. The amount of oranges in a glass of orange juice is probably like 10 or 15. You wouldn't eat 15 oranges at once. So you're getting a massive amount of sugar when you do the OJ. Not good for your body, not good for diabetics, not good for your blood sugar, and it's expensive. So the dog's sniffing her dog dish. She wants food. So what do I think of this? I think a banana would probably add a little bit of flavor. Banana's good for your body, good potassium. You got to be careful with the sugar also, but banana would be good. Probably make this taste a little better. This tastes actually it tastes very good. It tastes really good. It tastes like the chocolate Ripple, but the chocolate Ripple is not a really chocolatey thing. And does it taste as good as the chocolate Ripple drink? No, that's just delicious. That's a creamy. The reason, again, it's creamy is because of the oil they're putting in it, which has omega-6, which is not that good for you. So the Ripple milk, the chocolate Ripple milk, is delicious and creamy. The unsweetened is... It's unsweetened. It doesn't say unflavored. It's unsweetened. And it's not the best tasting thing. The vanilla is a little better, but the chocolate Ripple drink is very good. And if you don't want to spend $5 on a bottle, and they're so hard to find in stock now, I would say buy the chocolate Ripple powder. You're going to get 8 grams of protein. I mean, you're going to get 20 grams of protein instead of the 8 grams. And you're not going to get the oil. And you can mix in your greens like I just did. This thing was way up to about here, where you can't even see it. This thing was way up. It was at least half full. I've had about a quarter of it now. This will fill you up. That's the point. It fills you up. You're not going to be hungry. You're not going to be thirsty because you're getting some liquid in there. You're getting your protein, which might back you up a little bit if you know what I mean, but there's a lot of protein in this. And you're getting your grains, and that's really the whole idea behind this for me, is how do I hide the taste of spinach. It's okay. I'm used to it now. I eat raw spinach. I eat raw broccoli, or I mix them in a smoothie. I do not eat them cooked because I think they stink and they taste disgusting. But in the raw, they're really good. In here, you just can't taste it. Seriously, except for this nasty green drink, and people say you can hide it and you're not going to notice. No, it still looks like spinach. But if you gave this to somebody that doesn't like veggies, and if they didn't see the color, they would say, this tastes really good. What is it? One more sip. We're down to about a quarter. I'm surprised. I'm really surprised. I normally cannot drink this amount. I'll drink maybe half of this. But I've never mixed it with the chocolate before. And it is good. It's really good. So I don't want to make this video past 8 minutes because then I'll be able to put extended rolling ads on the thing. Probably like 500 ads in this video. So if this helped you out, thumbs up. Subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Click on my affiliate links in the video description, which I always put in there. Maybe I'll put one in for the chocolate Ripple. It's really very good. I'm surprised. I was going to say, I don't know if I want to say this, that adding the spinach with the unsweetened and the chocolate powder, maybe it makes it taste better. I don't know. There's definitely zero taste of spinach in there. I don't know what else I could put in besides a banana that would make this better. Maybe trying this with broccoli, but I think spinach is supposedly a little bit healthier than broccoli. They're about the same. If you want to support my channel, which a few people have, nobody's left me $1 million, but I will leave the link in the video description next to the affiliate links, so you can donate to the PayPal if you want to. And we got a quarter left, so maybe I can get a couple more minutes out of the video and enjoy this. And the more I drink this stuff, the more you'll want to donate, right? Is that it? There's an Amazon truck around the corner from me, 8 stops away. She's 8 stops away, and she hasn't moved that truck. She just keeps walking to the buildings and delivering. So I've been waiting. I'm going to be getting my, well, you'll see it in my next video. I don't want to ruin your surprise. It is a little chalky, and it's chalky because of the powder. And this is a lot of liquid to drink at once, and I'm saying, okay, do I really need to do this for my video? But just like those food videos where they eat 50 pounds of food, and then they get 1 billion subscribers, I'm not going to get 1 billion subscribers. Almost done. Two more gulps, man, am I going to have. I have a problem later on. There it is, people. You don't need to measure, just throw it all together. I drank a lot. That was a lot of stuff for a video. And it's really good. So, thanks for watching. Yes, you can mix chocolate, protein powder with spinach and probably other veggies. And what else was I going to say? I'm using the Ripple because it is vegan. I know it's got some other junk in there, probably not that good. I'm trying to stay away from the whey and all the other stuff that's related to milk and whey protein. But do what you want to do. It does work, and it tastes pretty darn good.